G'day, my name is Emil and I'm the Technical Manager for H2O BWT. Today we're going to talk about the MCS and the MPC, which is the magnesium mineralized cartridge that's got protection inside of it. And then we're going to talk about the other one, which is made for soft water areas. So it's the MCS for soft water areas and then the MPC for hard water areas. And let me talk you through it. What we've got installed here is the MCS. Currently we're in an area where the water is quite soft. Inside of this cartridge, we've got a ion exchange resin that only releases magnesium back into the water. And as we know, magnesium is a taste carrier. What I've got here is a half cut to show you the inside of the unit. And what we have here is water coming in, going through a ion exchange media to put magnesium back into the water. Then it's got like a sediment filter. It's got a carbon pad. It's got another sediment filter. And then it comes up and it goes through GAC, granular activated carbon, which will improve the taste, the color, and the odor of the water. And then the magic that happens on top here is where the ultrafiltration is. Currently in South Africa, if you don't have a filtration system that makes use of an ultrafilter, bacteria might come through. And we never know when there's bacteria in the water. This is a complete all-in-one solution that's got sediment filtration inside of it, carbon filtration, remineralization, and then ultrafiltration, which will kill off any bacteria that might be present in our water. So if you've got like cholera outbreaks in certain parts of South Africa and you've got a filtration system like this installed, you can rest assured that any water that comes out of it will be great, safe, magnesium enriched water. The unit that we have installed down there is complete. You can put it upright in your cupboard. You can lay it flat in your cupboard. You can even turn it upside down in your cupboard. So space is not an issue. The unit will give you 5,000 liters of water before you need to replace it. It can be connected directly onto your tap, or it can be connected to a single tap. So whatever water you're getting out there is ready to drink, and it's got magnesium in it. So any beverage that you make after this, be it coffee, tea, or just making some ice off the water that comes out of here, you can rest assured that there's no bacteria that will be in the water and it's safe to drink. This filtration system can be purchased at any of our stores nationwide, which is the H2O BWT stores. It can also be purchased online at www.h2o.co.za. Thank you very much.